Here we have a 2013 Toyota Corolla LE. Stunning blue color. Body's in really good shape. We just did a set of 4 tires on this vehicle. Headlights nice and clear. Go widescreen. Wide angle, sorry. Body's in really good shape, as you can see. This vehicle has a clean Carfax. Absolutely no accidents, no damage. Wait till you see the inside here. Nice cloth interior. Very clean inside, no weird smells. No rips. No tears. No stains on the headliner or anywhere. Show you the mileage. 41,377 miles. You also have here your radio control. Nice little screen. Got your heat and AC. AC works really good, but you're not going to need that for a little while since it is fall heading into winter. Turn the car into an oven when you put the heat all the way up. I like that it has extra storage right here in addition to the glove box. Owner's manual still in the car. I'll show you the back seat. Back seat nice and clean. Now I will say, just for comedic effect, if you guys come on down, you can get these ice scrapers and brushes. Be ready for winter. They do come with the car, courtesy of ZLK Auto Fair in Blackstone, Mass. Now we do finance vehicles. We're located at 8 Bridge Street, right behind the post office. This is the back of our lot here. It's another car for sale, 2015 Buick. I'll take you to the front quickly. This is what the front of our lot looks like here. We have a Santa Fe here, 2020, 2019 Ford Escape, 2012 Lexus CT 200H, ZLK Auto Fair. That's our phone number there, 508-883-1346. That landline goes right to my cell phone. My name is Abraham. This is our office here. That's where we would do the deal. Turn the camera around so you can see my face. Come on down.